When AutoCAD was first developed, it was given a supplementary language called LISP so that the users could customize AutoCAD to use it in the way which best accommodated their applications. What you see here is a very short LISP routine that is used to create a balloon on a drawing so you can identify the part number. At IRONDESIGNER, we often reverse engineer as well as enhance LISP routines to be more efficient. This LISP routine, for example, uses 6 inputs into the function BLN. The first input scale derives its definition from dim scale. The next input radius is computed from the actual drawing scale. The remaining 4 inputs, PO, PE, PM, and text, are derived from user input. Once the user enters the part number and presses enter, the balloon leader is shown on the screen. The program then ends and can be reused once again. LISP routines such as this are typically dragged and dropped onto the desktop.